At a swimming meet, School A had 18 more representatives than School B and 6 fewer representatives than School C. The ratio of the number of boys to the girls from the three schools was 1:3. The ratio of the number of boys to the number of girls in schools A, B, and C were 1:3, 1:5, and 2:5 respectively. How many representatives from the three schools were there in all? So we know that School A had 18 more representatives than School B. So I will draw the model. A has got 18 more than School B. But 6 fewer than School C. So which means that A has got 6 fewer than C. So C is what A has and plus another 6. So we know that this should be 18 here. Then it says that the ratio of the number of boys to girls from the three schools was 1:3. So in terms of total, girls is to boys is 1:3. So this is the total. Then it says that the ratio of the number of boys to the number of girls in schools A is 1:3. So in terms of A, girls is to boy is 1:3. For B, it is 1:5. So B, girls is to boys is 1:5. And for C, the ratio is 2:5. So in terms of school C, girls is to boys is 2:5. So looking at all this ratio, we can actually see that the total 1 unit of A plus 1 unit of B plus 2 units of C is equivalent to 1 total unit. Now this number is actually obtained from the number of girls, which is 1 unit of A, which is the girls, and 1 unit of B and 2 units of C will give us a total of 1 total unit. The reason we do this is to try to find a way to actually balance out such that we can equate the equation. Then you can see the other one would be 3 units of A plus 5 units of B plus 5 units of C would give us 3 total units. These represent the girls, while these represent the boys. So from here, what we can do is to make the total units the same. So to make them the same, I will need to multiply by 3. So I will have 3 units of A plus 3 units of B plus 6 units of C will give us 3 total units. So these 3 total units and these 3 total units will be the same. So now we can equate them. So we know that 3A plus 3B plus 6C, which is the gray equation, is equals to 3A plus 5B plus 5C. So we can see from here that this 3A and this 3A is the same, so we can actually cancel it off. So we can cancel this. That is to say, 3 units of B plus 6 units of C is equivalent to 5 units of B plus 5 units of C. If you look carefully from here, do you realize that when 5B has been reduced to 3B, the number of C's will actually increase to 6C. That is to say, I minus off 2B would result in an increment of 1C. That means that 1 unit of C is actually equivalent to 2 units of B. So from here, we can actually do a comparison of B and C. Okay. So what we know that 1 unit of C, when we increase 1 unit of C, B will drop by 2 units. Therefore, 1 unit of C is equivalent to 2B. So I need to times 2. I'll get 4 is to 10. So I know that in these ratios are actually in terms of the same number of units. So if we look at B, there's a total of 1 plus 5, which is 6 units, while C has a total of 14 units. But if you look at, they are supposed to be equal from here to here, which means that this is also 6 units. And since C has a total of 14 units, this must represent a total of 14 minus 6, which gives us 8 units. So we know that 8 units is equivalent to 18 plus 6, which is 24. Therefore, 1 unit will be 24 divided by 8. That gives us 3. So the question is asking how many representatives from the 3 schools were there in all. They're asking for total. So if this is 6 units, this will also be in terms of 6 units. So we know that there's a total of 18 units. So 18 units is because 6 plus 6 plus 6 gives us a total of 18 plus another 8 here. So let's not forget about this 8 units. So there's a total of 24 units. Sorry, not 24 but 26. 18 plus 8 gives us 26 units. So I need to find 26 units, which is 26 times 3, which gives me a total of 78. And not forgetting this 18 over here, so I need to use 78 plus 18, which gives us 96. So there's a total of 96 representatives from the 3 schools.